They seem to respond to trust more than other species. I don't know.
Well, sweetie, they don't do they don't do this with most people.
Oh.
This is something Brian's able to do. People don't. This doesn't happen. This is probably the only place in the world that this happens.
Amazing.
This is like so rare.
What? What? Want to play peekaboo? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. I get it doesn't.
Look how clean the place is.
I'm sure you work hard to keep it that clean.
I don't like it. You know, it doesn't seem like there's any dander or anything. You must have to wash it down
4 times a day.
Oh my.
Up here we got pressure wash everything every day. We don't want anything to happen as far as getting ill.
You look a lot like Pistachio.
Hey, Dion.
Ah.
Dion.
Yeah. You
Dion. Dion.
Hello.
Yes, Shiloh.
Shiloh.
Shiloh, maybe you'll like Pistachio. How do you decide who comes out here?
I just have to take them from one spot to another and find out where they're best suited.
Where do you think Pistachio's going to live? Out here?
Hello.